Hey, hello. So in this video I will show you how you can cut a video on Linux without having any software or something like that. You just need to open the terminal and do some coding here. So I have the video length is 3 minute 42 second. I need to cut the unnecessary part. So I will cut after. So I want to keep 2 minute 5 second, and I will keep those part. Also I need from 240 second to finish, but between this 40-30 second I don't need, so I will cut that from. Okay, let me do a live. So that video is on the document, and the video input file name is fold mp4. Okay, so I will take help from ChatGPT. So ChatGPT tell me to open documents. Okay, so I go to this document folder and open the terminal and its document. So let me copy this code. Okay, let me rearrange the code first. So this is the code. Video name is okay, fold. To I want first section like 2 minute 05 second. So there should be the code here. Let me paste input. Okay, on the basis of the code, the new video call will be output. So I think this is the first video.
X15 WST চার্জ দেওয়া হয়েছে মোটামুটি।
Okay, let me rename it to a first part. Okay, so I will do again with some editing. So so the starting point will be 02 40 second until finished. So total video length is
X15 WST
342. Okay, the code is ready. copy this, paste into serial monitor, enter it. Okay, the card is done here. So this is the
এই ছিল মোটামুটি রিভিউটি।
output.
অনেকে ব্র্যান্ডেড TWS কেনেন মোটামুটি 4-5 হাজার টাকা দিয়ে। সবাই ট্রাই করে দেখতে পারেন। ধন্যবাদ।
Let me read a second part. So I got my part, so I need to just delete this file. So in this way you can easily cut any video without any software with Linux code. I hope this video will helpful. If you have any question, please ask here on comment, or you can use anytime ChatGPT for all your solution. Have a nice day. Thank you.